Hi everyone, welcome back to Job 1 for All. In this video we are going to talk about the DOS file attributes and DOS file attribute view. Now before we go there and start working, let's clean up a little bit. There are way too many trash, so just remove this one, and just leave the folder. So we are going to keep things tidy and clean. Now let's create a new class. This class will be called DOS file or DOS attributes test 01. So I just want to show you a little bit how it works. Let's first get the path paths.get, and let's call that folder, and let's create a new file that we'll call test.txt. I want to check if the file exists first. So files.not exist. So if the file does not exist, this one, I want you to files.create file and this path. Let's add the exception to the method signature to keep the code a bit cleaner. And let's see first, for example, how do I set using files the text, the test.txt, for example, read only and hidden. Now let's call files.set attribute. But this set attribute, you have to be very careful, because for example, if you are working with Linux or actually Windows, you have to pass this DOS column and then the name of the attribute. But if the name of the attribute is wrong, then you're going to get a probably, I'm not sure if it's unsupported or illegal argument exception. Well, we can check. It's pretty straightforward. You just have to make something wrong. For example, first the path. We have the path here. Second, the attribute. So I know the attribute is case sensitive. So read only does not exist. It's all lowercase. So this is going to give an exception. Just don't remember which. Control Shift F10. Illegal argument exception. So read only is not recognized. You can use read only. And hidden, true. Now when I execute this code and I roll up, you see that we have the read only, this little lock. And if I check Explorer, if you go to view and show hidden items, you have the file. If I want to set this to false and I execute again, Control Shift F10, you will see that the lock is gone, and we also have the file that's not hidden anymore. Now this is pretty straightforward, but as you can see, this can be very annoying. Through the DOS, it's a bit easier to do it. For example, let's say that you want to first check the attributes, if it's hidden or is hid only. You know how to get the attributes through the files.read attributes path. What class are you working on? DOS file attributes. Now this is going to have two options for us that are exactly what we're looking for. First is the DOS file attributes dot is read only and is hidden. Control Shift F10. As you can see, they are both false. And now if I want to change, remember, this is just read only. If you want to change, we have to use the one that ends with view. DOS file attribute view. So same thing. Files.get file attribute view path DOS file attribute view dot class alt enter, introduce local variable file attribute view, and now we can change. Pretty straightforward. set hidden true, set read only also true. Now, if you want to get back the information, remember what you have to do. You can get from file attribute view dot read attributes, and then is read only. Same thing here. Now Control Shift F10. True, true. If you press Alt 1 to show the project bar, sidebar, you have the file that's read only and also hidden. Well, basically that's it about the DOS file attributes. So I hope you enjoyed. Let's continue in the next video. See you.